The Center for Advanced Engineering and Research, or the CAER, is an initiative of our region's economic development strategic plan. We have what we consider a number of high-tech companies here, particularly in the nuclear energy and in the wireless communications industries. But we don't have the benefit of a research university. We have several good undergraduate liberal arts schools here, but not a research university. So the vision of the CAER was to create a research university environment here in Virginia's Region 2000. And we see a research university environment consisting of three key elements. The first is building and expanding the capacity to do applied research. The second is building capacity to provide graduate level education and professional development for scientists and engineers. And the third element is building a community where the technology companies, scientists, engineers can all come together and network and connect and grow together. The Center for Advanced Engineering and Research has three primary research programs. The first is supporting B&W's mPOWER Integrated System Test Program, which is part of the licensing process for their small modular reactor. The second is what we call the Center for Safe and Secure Nuclear Energy. That is a program that focuses on next generation control room technology, specifically digital instrumentation controls, human factors engineering, human machine interface, and cybersecurity in control rooms. And the third area is in the wireless communications area, and that is standing up a wireless test bed that would allow local companies to roll out new wireless technologies, specifically in rural areas like Southside and Southwest Virginia. This is one of the three major R&D programs in the CAER. This is what we call the Center for Safe and Secure Nuclear Energy. And it focuses on issues related to next generation nuclear power plant control rooms. Specifically, we are looking at the transition from analog to digital controls and the issues that creates for the nuclear power industry. We're looking at the human factors engineering and the human machine interface issues that come from that shift. And we're looking at cybersecurity issues that result from that shift from analog to digital controls.
The CAER itself represents the employment of 20 full-time engineers and technicians to operate the plant and design the test procedures, which is really the mission of the test facility. And secondly, the B&W mPOWER reactor design program, headquartered in this region, has afforded the ability to hire 150 highly skilled people to actually do the design of the plant. This is significant because it makes Central Virginia one of the centers of excellence worldwide for the design of this new reactor technology. B&W is indebted to the support of the Virginia Tobacco Commission in allowing us to establish in Central Virginia a world-class test facility for small modular reactors, of which the mPOWER is one. This will allow us to satisfy one of the primary objectives of the CAER, and that's to provide a research facility upon which work can be done to bring additional jobs into the Central Virginia region.
And so the CAER came out of this idea with business and higher ed and local government leadership. At the same time, the Tobacco Commission and certainly was very targeted on trying to transition the economies of southern and southwestern Virginia out of a resource-based basic industry and moving into a leading edge. Kind of came together at the same time with our region's leadership's vision. Certainly with the hard work of the Tobacco Commission, we've been able to now capitalize to actually make material this vision of having a leading edge research and development facility to serve our nuclear energy and wireless communication companies.
The Center for Advanced Engineering and Research has been a huge benefit to the technology sector. It served as a catalyst, something that's just more than a building that people can look to, but a place where technology companies of all sizes can make use of the research and development programs here, as well as access to networks that otherwise weren't here prior to the Center for Advanced Engineering and Research. Without the Center for Advanced Engineering and Research in Region 2000, this region wouldn't be getting the state and national recognition that it deserves.
The Virginia Tobacco Commission had their own vision of using energy-related research and development as a key strategy for economic growth and development in Southside and Southwest Virginia. And their vision complemented our economic development strategy very, very nicely. So their support, both from a strategic point of view, but more particularly their support in terms of funding for a research facility that allowed us to locate that type of activity here, and their ongoing support through their R&D commercialization fund has been a key piece in our success and our growth here at the CAER.